Utilized tea bags are terrific for a number of easy home remedies and treatments. These tips and tricks are also excellent. Next time you make some tea, you'll make certain to keep hold of the old tea bag. Lots of people throw away tea bags after they've made use of one soon as. However, there are some terrific ways to obtain a second usage from them that do not include a weak tea. Have a look at a few of these exceptional tea bag natural home remedies. 1. Heal contusions. Contusion is a region of injured tissue or skin in which blood capillaries have been ruptured. A bruised green and also black tea both have tannins which help in reducing swelling as well as recover capillary. So simply consuming tea is fantastic for removing swellings promptly. For quicker alleviation, dip an old tea bag in hot water, allow it cool down, and after that allow it remain on the bruised area. 2. Deal with sunburns. If you've obtained one sunburnt spot, allowing a cool, damp tea bag remain on the afflicted location could lower swelling and also soothe the pain. If your burns are much more extensive, tossing a pair tea bags right into a warm tub and also taking in the bathtub could give the exact same impact. 3. Diminish warts. Tea's tannic acid could aid the body battle the skin infections that trigger warts. Merely position a warm tea bag on your wart or warts and also allow it rest for 10 minutes. Do this a minimum of 2 times a day, and also you need to discover the excrescents start to reduce. 4. Deal with pink eye. Green tea is specifically filled with bioflavonoids which help in reducing inflammation and also fight bacterial infections. If you or your kid has pink eye, most definitely see a medical professional concerning antibiotic therapies, however, for temporary relief. Position an amazing, damp eco-friendly tea bag over the affected eye or eyes for about 10 minutes. 5. Calm razor burn. Maybe you had to shave without shaving lotion, or you used an old razor. Whatever the cause might be, you can decrease the pain and also swelling from razor burn by putting a cool, wet tea bag on the affected areas and also simply letting it rest. 6. Treat acne. Tea has plenty of antioxidants which benefit the body immune system. As well as a healthy and balanced body immune system is important to combating acne. In addition to drinking tea, for specific problem areas, you can apply cool, damp tea bags to the area for 20 minutes at a time.